Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. And now we are working on activity number 3. Okay? All right, boys and girls, activity number 3, it says play target practice. Okay? So I am going to show you how to do that. Okay? I have a virtual math game that you're going to get to play at home. This activity is done with dice. But don't worry, you may not have a dice at home. I don't have one either. Okay, boys and girls, so with this virtual math manipulatives, I am going to show you how to play that game, okay? Okay, boys and girls, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play that game. So say that your target number is the number 10, okay? So I am going to go ahead and select these two dice down here, and I'm going to flip them. So I have 2, the number 2, but I need to get to 10. What's one thing I can do to get to 10? I can count on from 2, correct. So let's count down, boys and girls, to get the other number that we're missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. My number is 8 because 8 plus 2 makes 10. Okay, boys and girls, now we said our target number was 10. Okay, let's go ahead and flip that dice again. Ooh, I got 1. Okay, so think it, say it, 9. You are correct because 9 plus 1 makes 10. Okay, boys and girls, and a way you can do that is counting on from 1. Okay, boys and girls, let's roll it one more time. Okay, I have 3. Okay, so I have 3. And my target number is 10. Okay, so let's count on from 3 to get to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 7. You got it because 7 plus 3 makes 10. Okay, boys and girls, so this is going to be a fun activity for you. So don't forget to go into the Google Classroom and go ahead and play this play target practice with your parents. It's going to be a fun activity. I'll see you on activity number 4. Okay, boys and girls, see you soon. Bye-bye.